Hello everyone. In today's lecture for grade 5, I will explain the question answers of chapter 3 safety and first aid. First is define first aid. What is first aid? Simply the first or immediate help which is given to an injured person before the arrival of the doctor or before we take the person to the hospital or to the doctor. Whatsoever treatment we give to the injured person, that is known as first aid. Second, how will you give first aid in case of snake bite and burns? First aid, the treatment which is given, this is different for different conditions. Question is about what type of first aid should be given in case of snake bite. In case of snake bite, first of all, we should tie a tourniquet. What is tourniquet? It is a type of cloth. We tie it just above the area where the snake bite, so that we can stop the flow of blood, to stop the flow of blood to reach to the heart. Once the blood which contains the poison venom, when it reaches to the heart, then what will happen? Heart will spread, heart will pump that blood to all the parts of the body, and it will not be possible to save the person. So that's why first of all we should stop the flow of that blood. For that, we tie that part very tightly, and for this purpose only the thing which is used, that is known as tourniquet. Then after this, immediately we should go to the rush to the doctor. Second, what type of first aid should be given for burns? In case of minor burns, we can simply hold the burnt area, we can keep it under the cold running water till the time the person will not get relief from the burning sensation. After this, we can apply any antiseptic cream or lotion on it, on the burnt area. And if it is major, in that case, we should go to the doctor. We can even apply ice also, it will also give relief. But never ever use any adhesive thing, kind of band-aid, because when skin get burned, at that time tissues they are damaged. If you will use any adhesive thing, the thing which we can easily paste on the skin, then when you will remove it, it will harm skin more. It can take out the upper layer of the skin. Question number 3 is what should be done in case of gas leakage? First of all, cut off the gas supply, that is, switch off the regulator. Second thing, otherwise, also when when gas is not in use, we should keep it off. Second thing, immediately open all the doors and windows to pass the gas out. Most important thing is never ever operate any electrical switch, never use any matchstick. What will happen because of that spark? When you are turning on an electrical switch, there is spark. Or when you will, if you will try to use a matchstick or operate some matchstick, then what will happen? It will result into a major fire accident. So we should not do these things, and we should replace the faulty gas pipes immediately. Question number 4 is explain how petrol fire can be put out. Petrol fire. Petrol fire means the reason behind which the fire which is caused due to petrol. Petrol is less dense and it easily float on the water. So if the reason behind the fire is petrol, then what will happen if you will use water to put it out? Petrol will float on the water, will not be able to put out the fire. So in that case, we should use either sand or mud. Throw sand or mud on the petrol fire to put it out. Don't use water. Question number 5 is how can you give the first aid in case of an animal bite? When an animal take a bite, at that time in the saliva of the animal there are germs, and those germs, when you take bite, they can enter into the person body, and if one will not cure, then these germs they can spread into the body and they can cause a disease that is known as rabies. So what should be done in case of animal bite? First of all, wash the affected area with the help of soap and water, and then apply some, even for clearing, for killing the germs, we can use antiseptic liquid like Dettol, Sevlon also. After that, apply an antiseptic lotion on the wound, if and then cover the wound with the help of a clean bandage, cotton and bandage. And after, then take the patient to the doctor immediately so that he can give vaccine. Question number 6 is, what is fracture? What is fracture? Simply a crack or break in the bone is known as fracture. If there is simple crack, it's a small crack, that is also kind of fracture only. What type of first aid should be given for a fracture? In case of fracture, the injured person, he feels more pain. So first thing which we should do is, do not move the fractured part. After that, we should give support to the fractured part. Either we can use some clothes to give support to it, that is known as sling, or even we can use some, along with the cloth we can use some hard thing also. It can be, we can fold the magazine or the newspaper, or even any piece of cardboard also we can use to give the support to the fractured part, that is known as splint. And after this patient, we should take him to the hospital immediately. Question number 7 is, describe the safety rules to be followed in case of fire. In case of fire, first of all, open all the doors and windows. If reason behind it is due to gas leakage. And never ever wear nylon clothes, synthetic clothes when one is operating with fire. If person's clothes already catch fire, then he should cover his face with the help of its arms and roll over on the ground to put out the flames of the fire. One should never ever run, because fire to keep on burning, it needs air. If one will run, then it will spread more, fire will spread more. Okay, so one should roll over the ground to put out the fire flames. Even we can cover the person with a thick rug or blanket also to put out the fire. So this was all about your question answers.